Okay, this is the second part of your lesson for 5.8. This is 5.8 part 2. Okay, we're still dealing with fractional exponents or fractional coefficients, so let's look at a couple of problems that deal with that. Here's number 3. X over 8 minus x minus 2 over 3 is greater than or equal to x plus 1 over 6 minus 1. Okay, so we've introduced an inequality, so we're going to treat it the same way as our equals. First, we find our least common denominator between 8, 3, and 6. Least common denominator between 8, 3, and 6 is 24. Okay, so we go through and we do this. We're looking here. 8, 24. Okay, 24 divided by 8 gives me 3x. 24 divided by 3 gives me minus 8, excuse me. And get x minus 2 greater than or equal to 24 divided by 6. 6 goes in 24 4 times. That's x plus 1 minus 24. So let's go from there. So 3x minus 8x plus 16 is greater than or equal to 4x plus 4 minus 24. Alright, let's just start simplifying. Minus 5x plus 16 is greater than or equal to 4x minus 20. I did those to get that. I did those to get that. That should be a plus 20. Now, I'm going to move this over here. Okay? Alright, that means I'm adding 5x to 4x and I get 9x. I'm going to move this thing over. Oh, nope. I want to take this thing and move it over there. Okay? So that's what I'll do. And so I'm subtracting 20 from 16. I get negative 4. Don't change the inequality sign. Oh, this is error there. That's a negative 20. Negative 20 there. That means when I'm adding it over, and so I get 36. And then divide by 9, I get 4 is greater than or equal to x. Okay, and then I can graph that. Okay, if we need to graph it. If we don't need to graph it, good. There's 4, it's closed, and we're less than or equal to, means it goes that way. Okay, that's 3 all the way through. Let's look at 4. 4 looks like this. This is x minus 14 over 4 is greater than or equal to 5x over 12 minus 3. LCD, looking for the LCD, least common denominator of 4 and 12. Well, that's pretty straightforward. That's 12. Okay, so I do 4 goes into 12 3 times. So I have 3 times x minus 14. It's greater than or equal to 12 divided by 12 is 1. And so I get 5x minus 36. Distribute on the left side, minus 42. 5x minus 36. So I distribute here and I get that. Now I'm going to start dealing with 3x. I'm going to move over here. Okay, so let's do that. That's subtracting it. I get 2x. Negative 36. I'm going to move over here. Means I'm adding 36, which means I get negative 6. That's still that way. And I divide by the 2 and I get negative 3 is greater than or equal to x. And so if I'm graphing that, here's negative 3. Closed circle, x is less than. And that's that. All the way through. So the problems would look like that. We can turn them into linear equations. Right now, the ones we're dealing with. So we'll do that when we can do that.